Points for attention. Product display. Display of set package list. Preparation works before the flight. Before starting this product, please remove the protective cover from the camera first. Install obstacle avoidance equipment. When starting this product, do not touch the PTZ camera and obstacle avoidance equipment, because the gimbal is auto-calibrating at the moment of power on. Barrier avoidance equipment is energized and in working condition. If you touch it without authorization, can cause the head to not calibrate properly. Barrier avoidance equipment not working properly. High chance of damaging the head calibration. And obstacle avoidance equipment features. With the head being calibrated in the on state. Do not touch the camera. Power on the drone first. Turn on the remote control again. Drone remote control powered on. Wait about 1分钟 for automatic frequency alignment. Take note of, the drone is placed on a flat surface directly in front of the remote control. After successful frequency pairing, the remote control clicks. At this point, the drone and the remote control are successfully aligned. Place the drone on a horizontal plane. Press and hold the indicator key for 10 seconds. Geomagnetic correction after the remote control beeps. The plane's lights are flashing. Pick up the drone. Turn clockwise 3-5 turns as indicated. The remote control will beep. Then rotate the camera face down 3-5 turns. The remote control beeps. Completed for geomagnetic correction. Place the drone stationary on a horizontal surface. Press and hold for 10 seconds. The remote control beeps. This way the drone's gyro and gimbal leveling is successfully calibrated. Flight mode switching. Note that the product powers up in default GPS mode. Without reaching bus satellites. Drones can only unlock motors but can't take off. If we're going to take off, needed before satellite positioning is complete. Perform indoor mode switching. Press and hold the obstacle avoidance switch button for 3 seconds. After successful switching, the remote control will beep. This time, drones will be devoid of all GPS-related features. No one-key return, low power return, out-of-control return, etc. Need to pay attention to the flight altitude and distance, avoiding drone loss. Drone unlocking. Remote control left and right joysticks pushed inward or outward at the same time. Unlocking can be completed. The motor starts up and you're ready to fly. Basic operation. One-click takeoff. One-touch landing. Go up. Go down. Turn left. Turn right. Advance. Be back. Left field. Right fly. The remote control has 3 speeds. Gears, normal grade, sports gear, default normal. Head camera adjustment. Photo and video recording function. Press the photo button to take a picture. Press the video button to record. Short press to start recording. Press again to stop recording. Interest point around. The nose of the aircraft will be centered on the current position of the aircraft. Make an orbiting flight clockwise or counterclockwise. While wrapping, can be controlled to rise, fall, forward, and backward to adjust. Click on the one-click return icon. The aircraft automatically returns to the takeoff point. Click on the one flew over the cuckoo's nest icon. After the aircraft camera recognizes the person, click on the start button. The aircraft is flying vertically upwards. Click on the fade away flight icon. After camera recognizes the person, click the start button. Aircraft flying tower away. Click on the spiral icon. After the aircraft camera recognizes the person, click the start button. The aircraft begins to soar forward. Battery replacement and charging. When the power indicator of the remote control is lower than our cells, indicates that the remote control is low on power. We can transmit our signal. In this case, you need to recharge the remote control before using it again. When the power indicator of the flying machine is lower than our cells, indicates vehicle low power. The light of the aircraft changes from long on to flashing. Aircraft need to be recorded for battery replacement. Press the battery button. Pull out the battery. Connect one end of the USB charging cable to the battery charging socket. Connect the other end to the 5BE2 adapter USB port. The battery blue light flashes from left to right. While charging, the battery indicator is always on when fully charged. After charging, insert the battery into their body. Blades installation of the aircraft unscrew. Take out their fan blades. When replacing, pay attention to their corresponding and beef and blades. Put in the fan. Turn the screw. Common fault problems.